Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Alex here with the Inside Scoop. So baked beans, I'm 1.5 months in, about 4.8 billion beans and making 22K per day. And you're wondering, is it too late to join? Well, here's the inside scoop on that, okay? So for those of you that are watching this for the first time and you don't know what baked beans is, it's a smart contract on a DeFi space, so it's on a decentralized network, okay? And this contract has been audited, so there's no backdoors or no scammy business or anything like that. I've been doing it for a month and a half now. Essentially, simply put, what it is that you invest money into this contract, and in return, you get up to 8% a day. So the token of choice that is used here is BNB, which is the third most populous coin, is the Binance coin. And at this time of making this video, one BNB is like 422 US dollars. Okay, so that's simply just breaking it down as simply as I can for you. That's in a sense what baked beans is, right? You invest money into the contract, and this is the contract where it's at right now. And it's, if I click the link here, you can see what the contract value is about, over 7 million right now. When I joined, it was only 300K. So in terms of, is it a good time to join or get into baked beans? Yes, because this contract is growing by the day. This is a super strong project with solid developers and a super strong community on Telegram, right? So a lot of people are coming on board, a lot of new investors, but also the current investors are really unselfish. Everybody is just, rebaking and reinvesting into the program. Nobody's being greedy. You know what I mean? Everybody has a 6-1 strategy or a 5-2 strategy. 6-1 is the most popular strategy, where you rebake for 6 days and then withdraw for 1 day. So today actually happens to be my withdrawal days. But I'll tell you what I do. I split my withdrawal days into 2 segments of 12 hours. So let's say today I accumulated beans for 12 hours. So from 2 p.m. in the afternoon till about, it's right now about 2:23 a.m. So about 23 minutes over that 12-hour mark. But you get the picture. So because I don't want to take a big eat over just, one accumulation of a 24-hour period, I want to split it up into 2 12-hour periods, right? So I'll eat today, and then I'll eat again on Monday, just accumulating the 12-hour period, right? So I spread my eats out like that, or I might even eat on Wednesday, right? Just as long as I keep it just 2 12-hour segments, I know that I'm still doing that 6-to-1 strategy, and that's the key, right? Because I don't want to pull out a huge chunk of BNB out all at once. I just want to split it up like that. But if I was to accumulate this for 24 hours, let me get on my calculator and I'll show you. So so 27 here, that's what we got, right? 27, that's for 12 hours of accumulation times 2, 54 BNB. So if I go to Google, I type in 54 BNB to USD, 22, almost 23K, guys, almost 23K. So, I mean, it's unbelievable what compounding does, like the power of compounding, guys. And I've only been in it a month and a half. This project started 5 months ago, and I started with 3K when I first, got on board. I do get some referrals, right? But, even just compounding, you don't even have to recruit. You don't have to refer anybody. Even with compounding your money, it grows super quick, right? So yeah, this is what I'm doing, and today I'm gonna pull out this amount here. So let me just go ahead and do that so you can see how I do it. So let me just refresh my page here. I think it's probably growing a little bit. Yeah, 27.97. All right, so I'm just gonna click on eBeans, and it's that simple, guys. I click eBeans, and there's a little bit of gas fee. So that's why I say when you deposit, leave a little bit of BNB in your wallet so that you can cover the gas fees, right? It's like 10 cents or 10 pennies or whatever. It's not that much. All right, so that's going through. So I'm just waiting on MetaMask to finish here. All right, perfect. That just went through. So look at that, 27 BNB, just like that. And that's how quick, that's how fast it is to withdraw, guys. That's how easy and fast it is to withdraw. So do this once a week. If you want to spread it out like me over 12-hour segments, you can do that, you know. So, you know, whatever 2 days of the week, just split it. So one 12-hour segment on, let's say, Monday, and another 12-hour segment on Friday. If you want to spread your eats like that, it's great, right? And the reason I do that is, again, I don't want to take a huge chunk out all at once. Just because, you know, the amount that you earn daily just is based on your rebakes and eat patterns. So your rebaking and eating pattern, right? So that's why I want to spread it out, right? Because I don't want to take a huge chunk. I want to make up to 8% and as close to that 8% as possible, right? So I spread it out like that. Yeah, so if I just give you a perspective here, just to give you an idea of, you know, what you can be making with this project. So if you, let's say you come in with $1,000, there's a 3% dev fee that's charged, right? So you get $970 when you deposit. But by day 1, you're making about 77 USD. By day 10, you're making about 155 USD. By day 20, you're making about 334 USD. And by day 35, you're making even more than your initial capital, right? So in terms of just a projection of what you can be making just based on that rate of 8% per day. So guys, it's not too late to get into this project, man. Like, it's still super early. This contract is just gonna continue to grow and grow, you know what I mean? And people are loving this project. It's so simple, so simple, guys. So if you want to join, I've got my link in the description, and let me know if you do join. Just message me on Telegram and I'll give you access to the compounding chart so that you can use it to track your investments. And I've got something exciting coming in the next couple of days, which I think you guys are gonna love. So make sure to subscribe and like this video just so that you get the notification when I do drop it. Okay, guys? All right, so that's it. I'm gonna keep the video short. Have a blessed day, and if you have any questions, reach out to me on Telegram. Stay blessed, guys. Take care. Bye.